Plugs into the factory stereo when reinstalling the factory stereo. Manufactured with factory-quality wire and connectors. EIA industry standard color-coded wires for an easier installation. Backed by Scosche's lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. For 40 years, Scosche has been producing high-quality, affordable car stereo dash kits, vehicle wiring harnesses, adapters, interfaces, amplifier wiring kits, cables and other 12 volts installation accessories. We know how you feel about your vehicle, so we will not design, engineer or deliver a product that does not meet our extremely high standards. When you purchase a Scosche installation accessory, we have you covered. We offer lifetime tech support, which means our knowledgeable tech team is available to answer any product questions you may have for as long as you own the product. We are so confident in our product quality that we back all Scosche 12 volts installation accessories with a limited lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Car side. This is the car side, not radio side. It's only useful if someone cut out factory plug from car. Aldo says for 89 Firebird, but is not correct, but does fit my 87 Firebird.